Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips 1.7 liter electric kettle. The model number for this particular electric kettle is HD9316 by 06. This is part of the Viva collection as mentioned over here. You will also notice the model number HD9316. This is what it looks like. It's made out of stainless steel, full body stainless steel. It comes with safe and easy boiling technology, keep warm function and food grade stainless steel. And okay, any more information? Alright. PTC technology for keep warm heating with no reboiling. Safe boiling with food grade SUS 304 body and inner lid. So SUS 304 is a stainless steel grading, which basically means it's food grade. Stylish upright body with brushed stainless steel finish. Strict thermostat for precise temperature control. One touch spring lid helps to avoid scalding. Cord winder for easy storage. That's all the information on the box. I will now open this and show you what's inside. So this is what you'll find inside the box. A lot of documents here. This is a safety leaflet for the HD9316 electric kettle. You should read this at least once. Actually, you should read this as many times as possible. This is the user manual for the same. All the components are listed here, along with how to keep this particular device clean and safe. And this is a warranty card and certificate of purchase from Philips. They're all very important documents. You should not lose them. You should keep them safe. And now let's take a look at the heater itself. This is the heating element. This is the base on which the kettle will sit. You'll notice the heating coil inside over here. This comes with a stainless steel. This comes with a stainless steel rim right over here, as you can see. But the rest is made out of super strong ABS plastic. This is the cord winding feature which is written on the box. So the idea is that when you want to store, you don't have to cram the wire inside a box or anything or inside any storage space. You can just wind it up like so and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at the electric kettle in question. This is the 1.7 liter electric kettle. It's made out of stainless steel. It has this stylish brush stainless steel finish. It looks very classy and elegant. It has a unique design to it as well as a straight-ish design to it. Notice the Philips logo right over here, and this is the button that you press to keep it warm. So once you're done heating water and taking it off, you can press this button to keep whatever fluid inside warm. And this is the power button. So when you have filled this jar with water and you want to heat it, you place it on the base like this, and you press this down. I don't know if you can see this. You press this button. You press this button down when you want to start this. Once heating is over, it will go up. Let's take a look inside. This comes with a one-touch spring lid. This one. So all you have to do is press this button over here, and it should open. The interior is also SUS 304 food grade stainless steel, and you will see the marker for the 1.7 liter. The 1.7 liter marker right over here. That's the maximum capacity for this particular electric jar. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips 1.7 liter electric kettle. The model number is HD9316 by 06. Thank you for watching.